Hello, today we will guide you through how to manage media assets using Meta Business Suite Media Library. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're in the correct business account. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to get oriented. Most of the tools you'll need are organized in the left-hand navigation, and this is where you'll start accessing the settings related to your assets. Next, move to the bottom left area of the screen and click on Settings. This opens the Business Settings section, where you can manage different parts of your account, including permissions, assets, and data-related tools. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a second to fully load before clicking. After that, look for the Data Source section and select it. This area is used for managing sources of business data that connect to your Meta tools. It's an important section because it helps organize tracking and asset-related information in one place. Within Data Source, click on Datasets and Pixel. This section brings together event datasets and pixel-related resources, which are commonly used to support tracking, measurement, and campaign activity. If your view looks slightly different, that can happen depending on account permissions or interface updates, but the wording should be very similar. Once you're in that section, go to the top of the page and click Add. This starts the process of creating a new item. Be sure you're selecting the correct add option for the dataset or pixel area you're currently viewing, especially if more than one creation button appears on the screen. You'll then be prompted to enter a name. In the name field, type the sample name or the name you want to use for this asset. It's a good idea to choose a clear descriptive name so it's easier to recognize later, especially if multiple people manage the account or if you plan to create several assets over time. After naming it, select the sample category from the available options. Categories help organize the asset properly, so choose the one that best fits its intended use. Taking a few extra seconds here can make future management much simpler. Finally, click Create to finish the setup. Once created, the asset should appear in your list, where you can review and manage it as needed. At that point, you can confirm that everything was saved correctly and continue with any additional setup inside Meta Business Suite. That's the full process for creating and managing this type of asset inside Meta Business Suite.